Teeny time. Hey, now, get it, Teeny.
What's happening, y'all? This Teen is back with another video. We're gonna start this a little different today. We starting this already on the bike. We're heading to another bike meet, but this is gonna be a little special for y'all. So y'all stay tuned. I'll show y'all once we pull up to the meet. What up, y'all?
What's up, boss man?
I finally made it. What's up, bro?
Got the clean ABS thing going on.
Alright, y'all, be up here. Well, I told you we gonna meet at.
Waiting on parts.
We ain't got everybody up here yet.
Man.
Look, I pulled up on y'all. It's been 20 years since I seen
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Yeah, I had to pull up on today.
What you call them? The Teenage TV family?
I do something, teeny fast, something. I come up with something in a minute. But look, y'all. Man, look at.
Oh, man.
Adam, you gotta tell them your story. How many miles you put on your ground the first day?
175.
175.
Yeah.
The first day, y'all. 175 miles. Man, that joker riding everywhere.
You got no choice out there.
Is that gray or black? That's black, ain't it?
That's what I was kind of. That's what I was kind of looking at.
Yeah, it look like it's gray and like a dark
got a
gray.
grayish black
Yeah.
to it. So this is a 2023 Grom, guys.
There you go, some more coming, y'all.
Yeah, that's a big bike.
Oh, those some big bikes. Yeah. Told you find out about some goddamn bikes, though.
Yeah, you be finding out. Yeah, so we got the big boys that showed up. What's up, boy?
What up, Tony? Boy, you be knowing what some bikes said, don't you? Boy, you can smell them.
Say he smell them, huh?
Yeah, he can smell them, boy. What you been up to, bro?
Nothing much.
I ain't seen you in a minute.
Yeah.
I ain't even see you at the last. You was at the last bike meet, were you?
No.
Okay.
We actually was just coming over here to take a picture.
Oh yeah, what up,
Yeah,
what up,
what's
boy?
going on,
You all right?
You doing, man?
All right, what's up, man? You doing all right?
Yeah, how's you?
All right.
Nice to meet you.
My boy got this ZX10 out this thing.
Yeah.
What year is this?
14.
14? Okay. That's nice, yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
Then he got the color matching chain.
Oh, you do?
Uh-huh.
Oh, damn, so you done.
Yeah, I get the same one.
Oh, okay.
He copied me though.
Oh.
Yeah, look at he got no nose. Yeah,
He
I
copied
did see
you.
yours first now, so.
Oh,
You know,
man.
that red stripe just make it pop too, boy.
Yeah.
Got this red sprocket too.
You ever try taking pictures back there behind Target? It's perfect lighting, man.
I ain't never been back there.
Me neither.
It's perfect lighting.
So you done lowered this thing, huh?
Oh yeah. I lowered it in the back too.
Yeah, man, appreciate it.
Yeah, I like that. Two-wheel mafia.
Two-wheel mafia, huh?
Yep.
What y'all got going on? What they
catch it
call
back
y'all?
one time. Huh?
Mini Bike Mafia.
Mini Bike Mafia.
Mini Bike Mafia.
Mini Bike Mafia.
Yep.
Oh, I need to get my dog on decals too while I'm playing.
Yeah, he got it.
You got a lot of stuff.
Who got him?
Oh, thanks.
Appreciate it.
What's up, Doc?
What's going on, bro?
What up?
Nothing much.
Ready for another day.
I'll be back there.
Boy, I know you fucking hot and all black.
Oh yeah. I'm about to go in the shade. There's some shade back there. I'm about to go back there and take a picture.
Alright, boss. Alright.
What's the nose had? Good to meet you, man.
We made it bike night.
Yeah. I guess you got the helmet, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, I did see the bike there, but I ain't know who bike it was.
What'd you say? Nose, he trying to act like he ain't never seen it.
Act like a brand new. Hey. that was 21 days ago. I don't know who then.
That's right.
Yeah.
We made that bike night.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I know he is. Yeah.
JD has got a buddy from out of town, from Texas, and that's why he was contemplating on coming because Marty don't have nothing to ride. So he's gonna ride Brooks Crawl.
Shit, he could have hopped on the nab if I would have known all that. Because it's just sitting in the garage.
I call Brooks Crawl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the guy he was talking about that paints, I think.
Marty, yeah.
Okay,
That's the painter.
Hell yeah, that's the motherfucker I need to talk to. I'm glad he coming.
Yeah. Was they pull up? Oh, man, check it
Y'all
out.
won't?
Let me get by these.
We can slide over that way
Look at that, check it out.
and
What at the apartment?
yeah.
Yeah, look over
Shit,
there.
y'all want to do that?
Hell yeah.
We can do that
Sitting out
instead
in
of
the
just
sun.
sitting. Yeah.
We
Yeah.
got shade, inside, bathroom.
Let me
Yeah, tell him you coming that way.
Adam Nubs, man. What's up, bro? Oh hell.
This your boy Tina's back with another video, man. I ain't get to try and do a good introduction. Y'all check what we got back here. We got more Groms. I'm gonna tell y'all more about this when we get to the next location about the name of it. But we get back with y'all with another.
That's what I told him.
We get back with y'all in a second once we get to the spot. I should put on me some salt. Go ahead and walk yours. tell you. I might put this shit up today, goddamn. Nah, I don't know. I might. Well, I need to see what I got in the queue. Yeah.
That content out.
Yeah. I think I got some old stuff too now. Been running ride and I need to put that out there. But we so big, I ain't get a chance to do nothing. I ain't here to nothing.
What's for it? So got a car.
Oh, boy, look at that.
Like,
Yeah, she love it. She love it. Y'all, we done made it up here.
Tina, you heard me?
Huh?
I said, I'd never do that shit again.
What, right without the helmet?
Trying to hold a helmet.
Nah, that ain't gonna work.
Hey, look, tell him why you like watching my channel again. Tell him that.
Because he's trying to keep up with everybody, and he goes very fast.
And he go very fast. Oh yeah, he be rolling.
He basically like the catch up.
Yeah.
When I let everybody.
And you catch up with him?
Yeah.
Yeah, he got a nice little setup.
Not on this.
This the group right here, y'all. I'm gonna put that on my bike too. Mini Bike Mafia. It's the group.
Yeah, I got a Fox body. Oh, yeah. We working on it right now.
My buddy's old lady just got one of them Honda.
Oh, the XR.
Yeah, it's like a 700, bro. That something's huge.
Yeah.
It's huge. She's like pony size. When she gets older, she's got to like walking around.
Yeah.
And he is selling this, y'all. This is for sale.
Straight pay. Find somewhere to sit down.
Oh yeah.
June 23rd.
So, that look good too. Though I was just gonna say that.
June 23rd.
That look good. What's happening about Martina, man? I don't know if I met you yet.
JD.
JD?
Man.
All right.
Yeah, I seen you in the chat, bro.
In the chat, yeah.
I gotta put a face to it.
Yeah, I finally made it back home. It's nice too.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Appreciate you. I'm ordering one of them masks to put on the front of it. You got somebody else, huh?
Yeah, I'm trying to do this out in Dallas. That's where I stay at now.
In Dallas?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm trying to do a little something.
You a mechanic? Okay, yeah.
About 20 minutes.
I grabbed the east truck.
Yeah, I love it.
Oh, you're in Dallas?
DFW.
Man, hey, we can go that one day. Once you get that thing,
Hey,
we got all load up come that way.
real talk. I got in my apartment. I got a garage. So if y'all need to put y'all bikes or whatever.
Yeah. I got an enclosed trailer too. We'll load them up. I can load probably about 5, 6 of them in there.
Come through, man.
And shoot up to Dallas. Shit. We come up there and ride.
Yeah, come through, man.
We gonna make this thing big.
I ain't got no ground. I got a stunt bike, CBR 600.
Yeah.
Got a stunt bike, but that's all I got right now. But I'm
Yeah, that
trying
was
to
my
get
first
a
bike.
CBR 600.
Yeah, I had the F3.
F3, okay.
Yeah, I had the F3.
I got the F4. I had an F3, but I got the F4.
Yeah.
I got the F4.
Yeah, that F3 was something else.
Yeah, I like them.
I sold that jacket shit. I like, damn, I should have kept that.
It's a good bike.
Yeah,
You know what
I
I'm
should have kept that little joke. That joke was smooth.
Yeah, it's a good bike.
You can't beat it. Oh, I thought you was doing it.